Hello everyone on YouTube. This is Brandon Plumley here for Brandon Plumley Television. And today everybody, I want to talk to you about something. And I'm going to go ahead and open up the Amazon app. And this is where I use the app to buy all my stuff from on the Amazon. Because I'm a Amazon user and I've been ever since. And Amazon's a great place to shop. But that's not what I here for. What I want to tell you is, well, I ordered something on Amazon on March 2nd, if I'm not mistaken. And I'm going to try to find it here in this video. I don't remember which one it was, but you guys probably get the point of what I got. These are the headphones that they have on Amazon. Now I want to let you all know that coming your way tomorrow will be a unboxing live on my YouTube channel for this. I wasn't going to keep it a secret for you all, but I rather let you all know what it is. This is the live video you're going to see tomorrow on Brandon Plumley Television. Because it's coming tomorrow, and as soon as it arrives, I think it's going to arrive probably in the morning. Then I'll do a special live stream for you all on YouTube. Now, the reason I can't do it on Twitch is because, well, Twitch doesn't allow unboxings to be on that. So I can only do it on YouTube. But anyway, guys, that's just a quick video wrap up. I'm Brandon Plumley. Thank you for tuning in, everybody. Thank you for subscribing. Be kind to one another. See you in the next video. Peace.